Ready to unlock the power of WhatsApp to skyrocket your business growth? Let's dive into Aisensy and discover how it can transform your WhatsApp marketing efforts. First, navigate to the Contacts section to import your customer list. You can upload a CSV file or integrate directly with your CRM for seamless data transfer. Next, craft engaging messages that resonate with your audience. Personalize your messages using dynamic variables like customer name and purchase history to grab their attention. Now, let's automate your WhatsApp campaigns. Choose your target audience segment. Select a pre-designed message template or create a new one, and schedule your campaign for optimal delivery times. Want to take it a step further? Set up automated chatbots to handle customer queries, provide instant support, and even collect leads, all on WhatsApp. Track your results in real time with Aisensy's comprehensive analytics dashboard. Monitor key metrics like delivery rate, open rate, and click-through rate to optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Aisensy empowers you to build stronger customer relationships, drive sales, and achieve unprecedented growth through the power of WhatsApp. Visit Aisensy.com today to start your free trial and experience the future of WhatsApp marketing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips.